sounds in a cowboy's head. Your memory swarms as pending storm predicts its own onset. You re-ride bronc, re-honky-tonk, re-word, rethink, regret. You'll never die. Hell, you're young and spry, bullet and 100 proof. Dreams blend so well it becomes hard to tell your musings from the truth. Then lightning's bark splits wide, the dark sky drums echo loud, limbs crack and break as old Zeus rakes cold moisture from a cloud. That wrath unfurled defines your world. Through it all you doze, while embers hiss at Aqua's kiss, all sounds a cowboy knows.